Animals and birds have many differences in their diet because both groups have different body structures, digestive systems, habitats, and ways of finding food, which makes their nutritional needs completely unique. Animals usually live on the ground, have strong jaws, and can chew their food properly, while birds are lightweight, use their beaks instead of teeth, and swallow most of their food without chewing. The diet of animals is divided into three major categories: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores like cows, goats, and deer depend on grass, leaves, stems, and soft plants because their broad, flat teeth are designed to grind plant material. Carnivores such as lions, tigers, and wolves have sharp teeth to tear the flesh of their prey, while omnivores like bears and humans have mixed-type teeth that allow them to eat both plants and meat. Birds, on the other hand, eat according to the shape of their beaks, their flying ability, and their environment. Some birds have thin, pointed beaks to pick seeds, nectar, and insects like sparrows and hummingbirds, while others such as parrots have thick, strong beaks to crack nuts and hard fruits. Birds of prey like eagles and hawks have curved beaks and sharp talons that help them catch and tear the meat of small animals and fish. Birds generally eat food that is easy to digest because their bodies are designed to stay light for flying, and their diet includes seeds, grains, fruits, insects, worms, nectar, small reptiles, and fish. Animals usually eat more food because they have larger bodies and need more energy for movement, growth, and survival, but birds eat smaller amounts more frequently because their metabolism is very fast and flying uses a lot of energy. Animals mostly get their food from the ground through grazing, browsing, or hunting, while birds search for food on trees, plants, water bodies, and sometimes in the air. Animals use their teeth, jaws, and strength to chew their food, but birds have no teeth and use their beaks to pick, tear, or swallow food whole. A special organ called the gizzard helps birds grind food inside their stomach. Birds stay more active in searching for food because flying requires constant energy, while many animals move slowly while grazing and only hunt when needed. Environmental conditions also create major differences in their diets. Forest animals eat leaves, shoots, fruits, and sometimes other animals, while desert animals eat dry plants and store water in their bodies. Similarly, forest birds eat seeds, fruits, flowers, and insects, while water birds like ducks and flamingos eat aquatic plants, fish, and small water creatures. Migratory birds choose foods like nectar and insects that provide high energy for long-distance travel. Animals can store fat in their bodies to survive long periods without food, especially in winter, but birds cannot carry extra weight and rely on continuous eating to maintain energy. Both animals and birds adjust their diet according to weather and season, but birds change their eating habits more rapidly due to their high metabolism. Overall, the diet of animals is shaped by their size, teeth, digestive system, and lifestyle, while the diet of birds depends largely on their beak structure, flying ability, lightweight body, and habitat. These differences show how nature has perfectly designed animals and birds to eat the type of food best suited for their survival, making their diets unique, specialized, and essential for their way of life.